Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP. In this quick video today, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know on how to set up your own upsell form right here on SPP. Let's get into it. Alright, so setting up an upsell form may seem like a daunting task because it involves a little bit of code. However, it's actually pretty simple with SPP. All you're going to need to do is navigate into settings, templates, and then add a new page called upsell.html. Within this upsell HTML, you're going to have to add this code, which of course we have a link down for in the description, which gives you a written instructions article as well as all the code that you're going to need. Once you've copied and pasted the code into your template, you're able to change what the wording is on the upsell page, such as the title over here, the question, or asking your client or providing the offer for your client, as well as what the buttons say if they click yes or no. Of course, you're going to have to change the service number over here to match the service that you would like to be included within this upsell. Once you've set this up and saved your changes, you're going to navigate into your receipt.html template, as you can see right here. And then we're also going to be adding some more code, which basically tells the system to show the upsell page whenever this form is being accessed. Right over here, you're going to be adding your order form ID so that whenever your clients are going through this order form, the upsell page that we set up earlier is going to be called and displayed to them. Again, this code that you need to add over here is going to be mentioned within the written article that I've linked down in the description. Alright, once you're done setting this up and you've saved your changes, this is practically it and it's ready to go. Whenever your clients go through the order form that you've mentioned over here, they're going to be getting a window for the upsell. Let me walk you through an example really quickly that I have set up over here. So over here, we are on this upsell form that we have linked, as you can see right there. This order form ID right here has been mentioned right over here. So this is the order form on which the upsell is going to be called. So I'll fill this page really quickly with some dummy information and we're going to proceed with the purchase. As you can see in a second over here, we're going to get a pop-up that asks us if we want to buy a special offer service. Here it is. Of course, this is again customizable according to how you've set up your template earlier. But if we go ahead and press on yes, buy now, we're going to get another invoice right over here for the pricing of the upsold service. If we click on complete purchase, then another invoice is going to be shown to us with this extra service that we just purchased. If we go ahead and continue to the client portal, as you can see over here, and we navigate into orders, you'll be able to see that there is the original service that we bought, as well as a second order with the one-time upsell that was offered to them. I hope this video answers all of your questions on how to set up your own upsell form. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our regular support channels. I hope you have an awesome day and thanks so much for watching this.